Okay, in the opposite figure, keep silent. Keep silent. In the opposite figure, DEFC is a quadrilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle where line segment DB intersection line segment AF equals at the point C. Find the proof measure of angle C. F, okay? That one. First of all, okay, we write the given, then RTB, then proof. Okay, this means one triangle ABC. Explain the proof, then we will write it. Okay? Is a yeah.
180 divided 3.
180 divided 3 because the all
Angles are equals in measure equals 60 degrees. Okay?
Angle A equal angle B equal angle C equal 60.
equals ACB. Measure of angle A
Equal
equals
A.
measure of angle B equals ACB. Yes.
Since ACB equals 60, therefore DCF equal 60 vertically opposite angles.
Angles, then measure of angle DCF equals 60 degrees. Okay?
Since
This is which type of polygons?
quadrilateral, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
Sum of interior angles equals 4 minus 2 times 180 equal 360.
Okay.
Middle angle F equal 360 minus 120 plus 118 plus 60.
This is okay. The last one.
Middle angle F equal 360 minus 120 minus 118 plus 60.
This is right. Okay, thank you. Okay, we write above. Since triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, then the measure of each angle equals each interior, okay, equals 60 degree. Since measure of angle ACB equals measure of angle DCF equals 60 degrees, vertically opposite angle. Okay? Since DEFC okay? Then okay? Then is a quadrilateral. Then the sum of measures will be equals 360. It means measure of angle F equals 360. The sum equals 360. Okay? N minus 2 times 180. It means 4 minus 2 times 180 equals 2 times 180, which equals 360. Okay? Okay. 360 minus the sum of the remainder angles 120 plus 118 plus 60, it will be equals 62 degrees. Okay? Okay. Yes. In the opposite figure, ray LM parallel to ray XN, parallel to line segment YZ, and measure of angle L equals 100 degrees. Measure of angle NXZ equals 40 degrees. Find the measures of the angles of triangle XYZ. Okay? The measures of triangle XYZ. Okay? It means measure of angle Y, X, Z, and measure of angle Y, measure of angle Z. Okay? Who can answer? Who can answer? Okay. Farah?
Since
Yes. Okay.
Since LM is parallel to XN,
Yes. Sense.
LM is parallel to XN, then the measure of the interior angles equal 180, then measure of angle LXN equal 180 minus 100 equal 80. In triangle XYZ, since XN parallel to YZ, then each two alternate angles are equal in measure, then measure angle NXZ, then measure angle NXZ equal of measure angle XZY equal 40 degree. Since LM parallel to YZ and LY is a transversal, then each two interior angles are equal 180. Then measure angle ZY equal 180 minus 100 equal 80 degree.
Equals 80 degrees. Thank you. Sit down. Okay. First of all, since L, she said, okay, thank you, Farah. Excellent. Excellent, Yasmin. Since LM is parallel to YZ, yeah. Okay, since LM is parallel to YZ and LY is a transversal, then measure of angle Y equals 180 minus 100, which equals 80 degrees. Okay, it means measure of angle Y equals 80. Okay, since ray XN is parallel to line segment YZ, then measure of and XZ is transversal, then measure of angle NXZ is equals to measure of angle Z, two alternate angles. Okay, since XN is parallel to YZ and XZ is a transversal, then measure of angle NXZ is equals to measure of angle Z, two alternate angles. Okay, okay, since XZY is a triangle, or in triangle XYZ, okay, measure of angle ZXY equals 180 minus the sum of 80 and 40, which equals 60 degrees. Okay. Yes, so this is another method. Okay. Okay. Next question. Yes, it's a very important question. No, it's a very important question. Don't forget. Yes. I know. The proof is very important in our life. The next one, complete the following. Raise your hand. Okay. Raise your hand. 2 persons. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the first one. In the right angle triangle. Okay, I'll help you. Okay. in the right angle triangle.
Say to me what are you going to do with this. Okay, I will help you. Yes, the sum of
the sum of the squares. Okay? Okay, to the power 2, it means the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay, would you please repeat it? Repeat it.
In the right angle triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse equals the square of the sum of the other two sides.
the sum of the squares of the other two sides.
The sum of the square of the other two sides.
Okay, in the right angle triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse equals, you know that in the hypotenuse. Okay. This is a right angle triangle. Okay, 1 minute, okay? 1 second. The hypotenuse equals the sum of the hypotenuse power 2 equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides, okay? Okay. It means power 2 of the squares of the other two sides. No. Okay, the number of x of symmetry of the square. Raise your hand. Yes. The number of x of symmetry of a circle. Infinite. Sit down. The number of x of symmetry of the rhombus. 2. Sit down. The number of x of symmetry of the rectangle. Wrong. Yes. 2x of symmetry. The number of x of symmetry of trapezium, isosceles trapezium. Okay, 1. The number of x squared of a equilateral triangle. Yeah. The scalene triangle. Yes. Scalene triangle. The number of x symmetry of the scalene triangle. You know that in the scalene triangle all sides are different in length and all angles are different in measure. Yes. 0. Excellent. Okay. 1. In the parallelogram. Yeah. 0. In the regular pentagon. Yes. 5. According to the number of sides. Okay, you know that in the pentagon there are 5 sides. It means it has 5x of symmetry. Okay? The measure of each angle in the regular polygon. Its rule is? Yes.
80 divided n.
N minus 2 times 180 divided n. The types of polygons. There are 2 types of polygons. Okay? Farah. Convex and concave. Convex and concave. The sum of measures of the interior angles of any triangle. Excellent. What? Stand up. Any triangle, the sum of its interior angles equals 1. Okay, another person. Habiba. 180. Okay? Down. Okay. The proof. Okay, you answer 2 questions about the proof. The second one, the parallelogram. The 2 diagonals in the parallelogram. Yes. Bisect each other. Okay, sit down. Thanks. The 2 diagonals in the rectangle. Yes. Yeah. The rectangle equal in length and bisect each other. Bisect each other with any figure, okay? Square, rectangle, rhombus, okay? And parallelogram, yes. Yeah. Okay, and the square. Mariam, what are you doing? What? Nothing? The number of the number of the no things. The two diagonals and the square. Farah.
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular. Bisect each other and equal in length. But in the rhombus, the two diagonals equal in measure and bisect each other. We know the quadrilateral, how many sides? Yeah, 4 sides. And the pentagon? Yes. 5. And the heptagon? No. The heptagon, 7. And the hexagon, 6 sides. And the octagon, 8 sides. Okay, we know that the sum of measures of the interior angles and any polygon equals n minus 2 times 180. There are two conditions about the regular polygon. First, all sides are equals in length. Second condition, all angles are equals in measure. Okay? The measure of each angle in the regular polygon equals n minus 2 times 180 divided n. The number of sides of the regular polygon equals 360 over 180 minus x, where x is the measure of each angle in the regular polygon. Okay? After the polygons? Yes. If a line segment join between two midpoints in a triangle, then its space to the third sides. Yeah. Parallel and half. Okay? And the first one in the reflection. If we point A, X, and Y by reflection in X-axis, it will be, yes, yes, we will change in the y coordinate, okay? And in x-axis and y-axis will change in x-axis, and the reflection in the origin point, it will be negative x and negative y, okay? Translation and rotation. Rotation. Quarter turn. It means negative y and x of measure of angle 90 degrees, okay? Negative 90 and 270 y and negative x, okay? But with 180 with rotation about the origin with the angle of measure 180, it means negative x and negative y. Identity rotation, okay, identity rotation with an angle 360 becomes x and y, okay? Come on, ask. Thank you.